Have you noticed a new trend in tech layoffs? Companies are blaming AI for cutting jobs. But is it really AI, or just clever AI washing? In 2025, over 50,000 tech workers lost their jobs, with Amazon and Pinterest citing artificial intelligence as the reason. But here's the kicker. Many of these companies don't even have mature AI tools ready to replace those roles. According to a January Forrester report, this trend of AI washing is all too real. Firms are masking financial or operational issues with the shiny excuse of future AI efficiency. Molly Kinder from the Brookings Institute points out that claiming AI-caused layoffs is a very investor-friendly message, especially when the truth might be that the business is struggling. So, what can we take away? Not every AI claim is genuine. As AI reshapes the workplace, it's crucial to separate real technological impact from convenient PR spin. If you're navigating your career or managing teams, focus on actual AI readiness, not just the headlines. If you're finding this insight valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on AI and workforce changes. Stay informed. Your career might depend on it. Don't forget to check out the related video in the corner for deeper insights into AI's real impact on tech jobs. And remember, the next time a company blames AI, ask, is it innovation or just AI washing?